welcome to What the Hey, where I'm your regular host of What the Hey, and today on What the Hey, we are once again reviewing another YouTooz. And you may be thinking about the literal fact that I literally just recorded one of these, but I'm poor because I buy so many of these, so here we are again. But before we go into the unboxing, I'm gonna give you some information. So the figure that we're gonna be unboxing today is the WILDCAT figure, otherwise known as AM WILDCAT. The figure was released on March 13th. I personally bought it on March 13th. The original price was $29.99. However, I got it for $23.09 because of COVID discount things. The height of the figure is 4.7 inches. The colorway is cheeseburger. The YouTooz number on the box is number 73. And the question of, is the figure still available? The answer is no. However, it's probably being resold on eBay for way too much. If you don't know who AM WILDCAT is, he's basically a gaming YouTube channel, which is really good and brings me a lot of nostalgia, so go check him out. Per usual, I'm going to explain a little bit about YouTooz just in case you're new to the whole YouTooz scene. So YouTooz in general is basically a vinyl figure making company that makes figures out of YouTubers, artists, and just generally cool people. I do have a What the Hey video on YouTooz, so if you check the description, you'll find that there. So to give you some tips, I'd say usually when a figure comes out, you want to buy it on the day and the second that it comes out because usually they'll be sold out within like a minute or two, depending on popularity. Whenever you buy a figure, you're usually going to get your confirmation email, shipping email that lets you track your package, as well as your delivering and delivery email. Usually when you buy a figure once it first releases, it's going to take around 2 months for the figure actually to arrive to your place. Usually when you get your shipping email, you're going to get your package within 2 weeks or so. So yeah, that's generally the information about YouTooz and the figure, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask them here. I also have that YouTooz video, so that's there if you just want to find out your information there. That will most likely be answered there. Now it's time to do some damage. Whenever your package finally arrives, you'll usually get it in this amazingly designed cardboard box with the YouTooz logo on it. With that, you'll also have the tape, your shipping information on it, and the box inside. Usually all you have to do to get it open is cut the tape on the side as well as the top. Just be careful not to stab yourself, because I've done that multiple times. I'm gonna show my strength. Ready? I already opened the side, but yeah. So usually when you get your YouTooz out of the box, it'll be covered in this like plastic covering to keep the actual sleeve of the box nice and clean. You can just kind of like yeet that somewhere. Like that. But yeah, usually when you take your package out of the package, you will get your basic outer sleeve and inside of the box that you can kind of just like pop out like that. But before we actually get to the inside of the box, I kind of just wanted to describe the outside. So usually when looking at the outer sleeve, you'll see a picture of the actual figure, you'll have the name of it, which this one says WILDCAT, and then you'll have some illustrations on the side of the box that the creator usually helps like design, which is really cool. Like I said, to get to the inside of the box, you usually just can like pull it off, and it's nice. So once you get the outer sleeve off, you can see the figure inside. You see the number, which like I already said is number 73. It says WILDCAT once again, vinyl figure. Usually on the box there will be little sayings on the side and the back to kind of describe the figure. On the side it says just way better, and the description on the back reads like this. Been to the moon several times, used to work for Stephen Bills, huge Pluto Nash fan, loves cheeseburgers, and just way better at everything, which is accurate. To get to the inside of the box and to the figure, you'll usually just need to pull up on the flap that is located on the top of the box. Once the main flap is up, you can just kind of move the ones to the sides off, and then you can remove the plastic which covers the figure inside the box to keep it safe and just nice. There are usually little like holes that keep the plastic together, so you can just kind of pull it off and take the front off, and then you get to the figure itself. This one particularly feels really smooth. I don't know why I haven't noticed that about the rest of them, but like just like touching it, very nice. But with the figure, you can kind of see the signature WILDCAT helmet, as well as the banana and the cheeseburger and the crazy pants and the fun shirt. So 10 out of 10, good design. So overall, yeah, I really like the figure. Cool design, like I said. So yeah, that's essentially the review of this figure. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll try my best to answer them correctly and quickly. So thank you for watching. Bye!